Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another unboxing for you, but this time it's all about the shoes. On the Shopbop sale, Mama did some damage. But before I get to opening this, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button. That way you can follow my journey along with what I bring you. I do a lot of different style, beauty, and fitness things. So if that is up your alley, or if you just like to watch like a silly blonde girl be silly sometimes, then go ahead and tune into my channel. So now let's get to unboxing this. All right, friends, and the first pair that I'm showing you are from Steve Madden, and it's these like Greek goddess slides in the rose gold. Nonetheless, of course, they did have other colors. A few of them I kind of was debating, to be honest. I was debating between the rose gold, and they had like a really pretty brown, like cognac color, but they were sold out in my size in those. So I'm not gonna lie to you, my mission kind of for this spring and summer is to find super cute flats that are not like a sneaker or just a regular old flip-flop, because I don't really wear flats, like nice dressy flats to go out. My boyfriend hates it when I'm always wearing like a wedge or a heel, but that's pretty much all I own as far as being like dressed up. So that's like my mission, and so that's what like pretty much all of these finds today are, is just like kind of some nice flat options. They feel really softly made, so that's always where I worry a little bit, like if they're gonna rub my foot and like dig in as you're walking. So let's see how these look on. I think they're really cute on the foot. One little problem that I've noticed just kind of walking around a little bit is that I got them in a 9, but my sizing, like my toes are right at the edge, and so I just have a feeling while walking they might start to hang. These are a pair that I actually had my eye on for quite some time, and it is the Canis, if that's how I think you say it. I think these are adorable. I'm not gonna lie, I got these and I got another pair that's really similar. I ordered both because I just wanted to see which one I liked better, to see if I could save some pennies. And this is the exact same style shoe as what I just showed you from the Canis one. These are from Jeffrey Campbell, which I love some of his wedges. I actually already have some and they're very comfortable. So these probably are super comfy, but as you can see, this is more of like a sandy peach blush color, and it's suede. So instead of leather, this is like a different fabric and it's slightly more pink versus the tan. So this is where I was kind of running into the dilemma. I just didn't know which one. These are like half the cost of what these are. So I bought both. I figured I'd try them out here at home and I'd see which one I like better, and then I'll send them back. Honestly, just looking at the two, I say these win. They just look a little more feminine with like that rounded oval toe versus the square toe. And also I'm really loving this tan versus this sandy peach color. I just feel like it will be nicer on your foot and it'll go with a lot more things. But let's try them on. Here are the Jeffrey Campbell little bow sandals, and now these are nicer on than I was expecting, to be honest. As far as like the color goes, I feel like the color isn't as bad and it does kind of like blend with my skin tone, but it definitely has more of a like orange, like that orangey peach sand kind of like undertone to it with that beige. Maybe it's because of the shape of my foot, but that square like box toe actually isn't too terrible. Like it kind of lines up right there with my toes. I got these in a size 9. This is what I typically wear. It's like either 8.5 or a 9. So the sizing as far as that goes fits well. These are the Candace ones on, and I absolutely love these. 100% better than the Jeffrey Campbell ones. Yes, they were like double the price. These were like $120, I want to say, somewhere in there. But it's like what you pay for is what you get. I love this nude color. I feel like that goes so much nicer and you'll be able to wear it with so many more things. And then the bows, I feel like the actual straps that go across my foot, I can like pull up a little bit higher where they actually are held onto my foot instead of feeling like they're sliding off right away. Really enjoy the rounded toe a lot better because I just think it's a little more feminine. And again, since I have longer toes, that helps from like making them not want to hang off the front. And now for the top shoe of this order are these See by Chloe cute floral espadrilles. I'm not gonna lie, I already own these in like the wedge style. Like they were super popular and like all on trend last year, and I kept telling myself, no Laura, you don't need them. They're like super giant tall. I'm already tall, so my boyfriend hates it again when I wear super big heels, but they're so cute that I end up breaking down and getting them. Well, this espadrille, I ended up not wanting to wait until the end of spring and summer this year. I wanted to have them so I could have them in the current season and rock them, and I wanted to get them before my size sold out. Sometimes these ankle bands can kind of rub around my ankle and I'll get kind of like little blisters. These are just so cute with the floral stitching and embroidery around them. They're so precious and they're so girly and they're so me, and I hope they fit and I hope they're comfy. These are adorable. I think they are just so cute. I've been walking around them just for a little bit here on my carpet, and the ankle little straps are not bothering me whatsoever. Got them in a 40, and as far as the length goes, my foot fits in there perfectly. Like it's not super tight up against my toe, and I'm right in the back there. Like they fit really nice. It's definitely worth the splurge in my opinion. Like I just think they're so girly and so cute. Also, I wanted to show you this super adorable little straw circle pouch that I found. I just think she's so pretty. It has these cute little flowers on there, and then it just has a snap little closure right there. This is definitely just to be used for like a little day out, like luncheon or brunch or something like that. So just keeping it really simple with like a nice little tank with the denim. You've got your super fun straw tote, and then bam, the espadrilles. Like this all just gets tied in, and it's really basic and super simple. That wraps it up from my shoe addiction and my new finds that I got off of Shopbop. If you enjoyed watching this little shoe try-on haul with me, please give this video a thumbs up. That's always so greatly appreciated. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe. That way you are always seeing everything that I bring you, and don't forget to hit the bell. That way you are always notified every time I upload a video. If you have any questions or you want to share with me what your favorite shoe was, please just leave that all down below. I will have all of these things listed for you to easily shop. Other than that, you can follow me along on my journey on Instagram as well. You'll see me there on the daily with all of my style, beauty, and fitness inspo. And until next time, friends, I will see you all then.